I'm burning, I'm burning, I'm burning for you.
What's this place? Where am I? This is really weird.
It's a nice filter, though. I will say that much. It is a pretty spiffy filter. There's no upgrades around here, right? I don't think so. I don't think it would have let me go if I didn't get the upgrade, so there must not be an upgrade. That's the 25th letter of the alphabet.
Why did this have to happen?
Stop jacking off, Sonic. You're right in front of someone.
I must stop this now.
Wow, nice eye movements. Okay, that made sense. I'm gonna have to stop this because I need to take the break, but I might be able to complete the game without doing that. I wouldn't trust myself, though.
I don't think I'm dreaming here.
Are you dreaming?
Eggman! What's he doing here? Well, never mind. This time I'll get him good.
His adult voice really came out there. That was fucking deep. That was a deep, deep voice. Alrighty, well, here we go. No, there's still this, there's still this shit. We've still got to fucking figure out this old puzzle. Hang on a second, what the fuck is going on? I can't figure this out. No. 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 Still no. Hang on. Got it. Alright, there we go. That took way more work than it needed to. Alright, it's final egg. Maybe we'll be able to do this in time. Very good start. Very good start. Very good start. Alright. Just go around it. Hey, that was necessary. Really? Nice. Finally avoided a laser, but still died to that asshole anyway. Alright. Alrighty, righty. Alrighty, righty-roo. I'm just gonna go around everything instead. I think that's my decision. I've determined that that's how I'm gonna be doing this, is going around them. As opposed to through them. What is this fucking facility? I guess we'll never know. Like, what is even the purpose of this? These conveyor belts, they do nothing. Oh, well, that's a big circle thing. What is that? What purpose does that serve? What practical purpose do these giant spinning things serve? Where am I? He fell out of the world again. Fantastic. The game really needs to cooperate when it's going to do stupid shit like this, you know? Because otherwise it just becomes a complete shit show. But I think we've observed the effects of that here. Alright, well we're here. I don't know where here is though, so who knows how long this will last before I'm clipping through the ground again. Yep. Okay. Where are we going? Oh my god. Hello? Hello? Come up here. There we go. And into this place. Yes, sir. Nice. Effective use of our time. Perfection. And we're here. Not sure what that does. Now we're going up. Now we're gonna go over this way. Sounds good. That's a big hammer. And I'm falling. That's a lot of blades down there, man. There's lots of spinning blades. Okay. Okay. That is fair. That is also fair. You know, this game is trying to tell me something, and that is that it doesn't want to be played. I think the game is sick of being played, and it just wants to not be played. That is the only explanation I have for why it's being so stupid right now. I need to go over there and get that extra life now, too, by the way. I hope you realize this. There we go. Nice. But this means that I have to go through this part of the stage again, which is just phenomenal news. No, 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 no! Hey, I clipped through that. Finally, clipping through something actually benefited me. It's a Christmas miracle. This never-before-seen outcome. Goodness gracious. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Are we gonna be a not bitch today? Are we gonna not be a piece of shit, maybe? Are we gonna actually, you know, do good things as opposed to being stupid? Looks like it. Going down, apparently. Okay. Good shit. That's a checkpoint right there. Not that it matters, because I'm basically out of lives at this point. Where do we go next? The next piece of the puzzle needs to be laying out plainly in plain sight. There we go. Nice. I guess we'll go in here. Sounds good to me. I like the sound of that. Alrighty, righty, righty. Hey, that's an extra life. Thank you. Hello? Oh my goodness. This is a bunch of things. They're like... They kind of look like little vacuum cleaners, don't they? Like the ROOMBAS, but with feet. Okay. This is a very finicky thing to be doing here. There we go, alright. More finicky this. Nice. Okay. Alright, I guess don't kill them. Okay. I'm just kind of focusing right now, trying to figure out where the fuck to even go. Okay, I guess we're going this way, and now we're going down here really fast. And that's checkpoint, thank you. Those are always good to see. Oh, we're falling. Alright, that's usually a bad thing, but I guess not this time, and I missed it completely. I missed the platform entirely. There we go. Yes, sir. Now where do I go? I don't even know. Oh, that's a big door. That must be it. The giant door. Now this little room here. And now we're into the shooting range. That is not something that I'll be missing. Thank you very much. Fine. Just touch him and die immediately. No, 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 no! No! This game's a cunt. You know that? This game really is a cunt. Hang on. Excuse me. Pardon me coming through. That's not what I wanted to do, but I guess it's an acceptable outcome. Alrighty. There we go. Thank Phil. I need to stop recording. I know we're about to get to the final boss, but I need to stop recording, so maybe next time we'll see what happens, if there's a next time. Last time that I said there was a next time, it took a year. You know how it is, man. But anyway, yep. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time in Sonic Adventure, if there is a next time. Bye! What the fuck just happened? What? What? What?
I'm just going to take this as carefully as I can because I don't want to start over.
Shit! Fuck! I gotta start over!